Saturday, warmer, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for this afternoon, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. At noon, in the Twin Cities, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 61 degrees. The dew point was
is the National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now the forecast